So Rosie and I are here today to announce our first pattern of 2023, the wonderful Pippa dress, which we of course are sporting. Rosie has got a short sleeve version on, she's got the maxi one with a slit. I've got another maxi version on with a bell sleeve, which is really lovely and warm for this time of year. And then here in the middle we have got Kat, our lovely models version, which is a 3/4 sleeve and midi length, and there's also a little mini version as well, which our wonderful Jemima wore, so you'll be able to see that. I'm sure we're dropping in images on this vlog. So this pattern is good for
intermediate.
So yeah, I wouldn't say it's too tricky.
No, it's not. And if you are an intermediate sewer, it's actually very quick.
Yes,
it's a quick sew.
Because the best kept secret about Pippa is that this is a faux wrap. So you think they've got loads of buttonholes, but no, no. These are just stitched on. So you don't need to get into the dress this way. That sounds rude, access, doesn't it? It said it's got a side zip, which I've just discovered mine's on this side, which normally it's meant to go on the left, but I am left-handed, so I'm going to pretend.
That's what we're going to say.
I wanted it on this side. I wasn't making the sample late into the night before the shoot.
No,
and
that
I
would
made
never
a mistake. No. So lots of different versions. We've said that. Side zip. How's the neckline finished?
It's bound, this one.
Lovely.
So really simple technique to do, and it makes it so nice and clean, and there's not like a bulky facing or anything to worry about. Keeps it nice and neat.
Yeah, and there isn't. Obviously got a bust start in for shaping, and we've got darts at the back as well. Yeah. So it's really lovely. If I turn around, it is really
lovely
nice
and fitted.
Really pretty. I love that shape where things are nipped in and fitted at the back. And then you also have the option of a slit, which don't know if that's appropriate to do that, but you'll see it in the photos, so if you can put that in if you want to. Fabric wise, yours is?
Mine's in a viscose.
Mine's in a viscose. This is a viscose crepe?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we've also got other fabrics that are crepes. We've got loads of gorgeous fabrics actually in for this. So hopefully there's still some left of this one, and the Scattered Spots and the Midnight Botanical. But there are some other lovely things on there as well. And I think for this time of year, it's really nice. I've chosen fabrics that are, they're printed, they've got prints, they've got colour to them, but they're very wearable with tights. Yes. So, which I think is important, because we obviously wanted everyone to feel they can wear this dress at this time of year, which you definitely can. So Rosie's come in to work today in her version, but she's wearing a nice chunky cardi with it, which is like the way to kind of segue a dress into winter and then spring and stuff. So yeah, that's
it. I think this will be, with the short sleeves as well, be perfect in the summer without tights, just with sandals on.
I think so.
It's an all-rounder.
Yeah, definitely. Anyway, I love a maxi in the summer, and I think that I will wear this. Yeah, definitely then. What else have we not said? Oh yes, so if you check out on Instagram the hashtag, you'll already see our wonderful Pattern Insiders versions, and hopefully soon we'll be populated by even more versions. So the hashtag is
SOI Pippa dress.
There we go. So make sure you look for that, and obviously if you're going to share your versions, then do use that, because it's always lovely for other people to be inspired by what you've made. And I think that's what's so wonderful about the sewoverit community, is that we all inspire each other. It's not just us inspiring you, you also inspire us, and it's a big circle of inspiration. It's a circle of inspiration. Let it continue through 2023. I think that's everything. Yeah, all the information will be in so links of fabric and also to the actual pattern will be in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because if you subscribe, then you'll get a notification of any new videos coming in, and we don't do loads of new videos, so you won't be bombarded, but it means you won't miss out on things. So subscribe, and if you like, that does good things for us, so please like. And
one last thing is that we will be doing a bit of a sew along.
Oh yes, of course, so long, wonderful. Yes, I'm going to make Alma a dress, because Alma doesn't have one yet, so poor Alma. So I'm going to be doing a sew along on Wednesday the 18th of January in the evening at 6 o'clock at home. So hopefully you'll be able to join us for that, and we'll sew our Pippa dress together. Until then, goodbye.